If you want to know how to make this, keep watching. Today we're making pumpkin pie bar. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I don't have pumpkin pie spice on hand, but I do have all the ingredients to make one. So the first part is going to be just making the pumpkin pie spice. The recipe will be in the information text box below this video, so make sure you open the video in the YouTube application. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so. You don't want to miss any of my upcoming videos. Next, we'll mix the pumpkin pie ingredients together. And I think for those living in Asia, you may not be able to find a pumpkin pie can. I think I'm going to try making this again using cooked pumpkin or cooked squash that's available in Asia and see how that comes out. I'll make an updated video if I do so. Make sure you spray your rice cooker with some Pam or grease it with butter or a little bit of oil and then coat it with some flour. This is a box cake mix. I'm going to use just half of the cake mix. Sometimes the cake mix are pretty sweet, so make sure you taste it before you dump it all in. If you like more starch, go ahead and put the whole box in. But I don't like as much starch, so I'm just going to start with half. For those new to my channel, I like to bake in my rice cooker because I do not have an oven. And baking in a rice cooker will take some extra time and patience, but you don't heat up your house. There are a few things you should know when you're baking in your rice cooker. First of all, your rice cooker will cook for 5 minutes and then it will go into the warm state. And this is normal, and you want to just leave it in that warm state for about 20 to 30 minutes. During this warm state, your cake is still baking. The reason it does that because typically when you cook rice, there's a lot of liquid, and with baking, we don't have a lot of liquid, so the rice cooker do need to cool down a little bit. After 20 to 30 minutes, you come back and push that cook button again and let it cook for another 5 minutes and repeat this process. And after the third cycle, let's check our progress. For this particular recipe, I baked it for 3 cycles. Can't wait until this cools down. I'm just gonna get some right now. And you know what? I have not had pumpkin pie for over 2 years. Oh, deliciousness. Yes, it does not look pretty, but you know what? It tastes wonderful. And this is what it looks like after it's cooled down. I can at least cut it into bars or slice. Go ahead, make it for your family. And then come back and put down in the comment below to see how yours turned out. Hey, you made it to the end. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please hit that thumbs up button if you like my videos. And if you want to see more of my videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you have not done so. I really hope you come back and watch more videos. So until next time, have a wonderful day.